forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Hello, my beautiful Cancers. How are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot, and thank you so much. You've been watching the channel, my water signs, and Gemini, Libra as well. You guys have been watching. Thank you so much, and I send you so much of love. And all of you, my new joiners are with me on board. Those of you who are new, we are doing your July reading. Okay, what are the upcoming energies? How are they playing? So I dabble in the Vedic and Western astrology both. So horoscope readings, zodiac tarot, whichever way you want to take it, you can take it. मेरी सारी information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. If you have not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. And let's see what is the Moonology oracle we need to see for our Cancers. So Michael Gabriel, show me the message I need to see for my Cancers. Blue pen. Show me the messages for my Cancers. They show me positive. They show me this word positive, written with green. What is the Moonology oracle we need to see? So I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle for you, and we already have a peek with the, with the notes from the universe. So I would be pulling out a Moonology oracle, then the tarot from the lights here, and closer to the notes of the universe. Okay. So let's see what's coming for our Cancer. We are in the Cancer season, right? So yes, I'm going to do a bonus reading for my Cancers, hands down. You can actually leave it in the comment as to what you want the reading on, Cancers. So we can do that. So for our Cancers, it's about, it's more about you communicating right. Joan of Arc, throat chakra. So new moon in Gemini, maybe you're dealing with a Gemini. Could be a soulmate twin flame kind of vibe as well that I see for some. So it is about very positive moon which has come around to remind you of the happiness, of the possibilities that are there for you in regard to love, in regard to relationships, in regard to work as well. But it's also a reminder to communicate clearly. Okay. As whatever you're asking about, your concerns, or whatever is holding you back from communicating well or clearly, is also something that you need to pay attention to, because why is that happening? So you need to reflect a little more. It's time actually to tell someone exactly how you feel. If they've not treated you well, if they've treated you well, or whichever way, good or bad, you have to tell that person clearly that I feel amazing with you, or you treated me this way, I hate you for this. So you'll have extensive opportunity to tell the person the way you're feeling. Could be in regard to your business, could be in regard to your love. You will have a lot of opportunities, a lot of choices, Cancer, that I see. But they say that, just enjoy the flow. Don't get stuck. That's what they're saying. So the messages, Michael Gabriel, that I need to see for Cancer. Watching. Cross watches is inner compass. In Cancer, do watch your sun, moon and rising. No reversals, no genders unless some guided to. Okay. Let's see. What do Cancers need to see for the upcoming week, July? What are the energies playing? What do they need to see? You'll be clear. I think you'll be getting more clear about how you need to communicate something to people. You'll be sitting around and you'll be saying it. Core energy, High Priestess, very intuitive. This is your energy. Cancer, Pisces, and this is your energy. You are, I think some of you are really sitting and meditating and contemplating and reflecting, as I said. Because that is what you really need to do to get more clarity. Maybe your name starts with an A, starts with an M, could be an L. That's what they're showing me. They're saying you're very positive about things. You don't hold on to the past, but you do feel that it's important to be treated right. You're journaling. Some of you are really journaling things as to what you want in life now. You're getting more clear about things now. Maybe some of you are 35 plus. in the age bracket. I see 33, 43. In this bracket you guys are in. Those who are watching, maybe. Gender doesn't matter. You can look forward, I think, for good things coming your way because you're aligned. Your intuition is on point. It's like hitting the, bullseye. Maybe you're dealing with a Gemini. Bullseye and a Gemini, wow. Six of Pentacles. That's about that sense of balance. That's about that sense of equal understanding. That's about High Priestess. That's about being in that state. This is Taurus. This is Virgo. This is Capricorn energy. With the Page of Cups, the most earnest, kind, genuine kind of vibe. This says that, it is coming to you. Especially if it's in love, it's coming to you. Someone is really coming to you to tell you how they feel about you, what they feel about you, or if it's in regard to your work as well, they're saying something big is about to come and knock your door. If it hasn't already, it is going to. Oh my goodness. Empress. Voila. So, you're there, baby. You got it all sorted. Cancers. You're birthing something new. You're at that point where you are so clear about things because you're connected to the source, Cancer. You understand the phases of life, you understand the cycle of life, and you're not in confusion anymore. You're not cribbing anymore. You're more empathetic towards situations like that, and you understand. But they say that despite being in this energy, some of you need to do a lot of grounding. That is why the earth energy is there. Maybe you have earth in your chart, or maybe you're dealing with an earth sign. So there is a lesson that you still have to learn. You have to communicate. I see that there's no communication. There's stalled communication. Talk. Tell people how you feel about them. Tell them that this was good. Tell them this was not good. Okay, this will help you and enable you to get things done more smoothly. And you will not be on the edge all the time. Your income is going to increase if you stay focused, if you pay attention. Happiness I see. Soulmate energy I see. Maybe you met with the right one, or you're about to meet the one. This is like union energy. Like you guys are maybe not communicating, yes, but you guys are going to come into union shortly. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy I see. Libra I see. Cancer, of course, I see. Fire. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Two of Wands. It's like you're waiting. You've been waiting for this for a very long time, Cancer, and this is coming your way. This is just coming your way, and this would like feel as if you've got the world. It's that kind of energy I sense for some. It would be an amazing partnership or an amazing relationship that you're in or about to get into. Cancer season, baby. You guys are like Venus is right there. Although, we have retrogrades that are happening, but you've learned the art to prioritize. That is what is taking it forward. With the Page of Wands, you're out there in your energy. Like, I am going out there. I'll see what happens. Because my intuition is supporting it. I know the sun will shine and all will be great and okay. Because you have the Emperor at the bottom of the deck, which means the Empress and the Emperor. It's like, of course, there is that kind of energy. There's soulmate twin flame definitely coming knocking for my Cancers. And if you're a crosswatcher watching, of course, if you haven't communicated your feelings, please communicate the same. Could be a fire sign, could be an air sign. Do talk about it. You never know how things pan out, okay? And just ensure to stay grounded, okay? And if you know that someone is just trying to flirt with you, you would just figure that out. You would know that how the person is feeling for you, how much they have a heart for you. That is the kind of clarity you have. So I remember this quote that comes to me for some of the Cancers out there, that you're saying that don't question the power of my intuition. with the High Priestess here, that I can see a game before you even play it. And that's quite a strong position to be in. Wow. So with the communication here, I think you have a lot to look forward to. Okay. You are going to have amazing romantic moments with your loved one. You will have supremely powerful financial gains coming your way. An influential person maybe gets connected to you or your family, and a new cycle of your life is starting. So let's see what are the notes from the universe that my Cancer needs to see. This is by far, after Gemini, I think you are dealing with a Gemini or either which way, the finest reading I've seen. High Priestess and Empress together is like a lethal combination. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. That's where we leave the reading, right? Page of Wands. So just continue to be in the flow. Enjoy the ride. Don't question it. Don't judge it. Don't think too much about it. Because your intuition is working. Everything is coming and happening, aligning the way you wanted it. And marvelous reading. Just so marvelous. Mind blowing. So thank you, my beautiful Cancers. If this resonates, give me a like and subscribe, share it, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye for now.